Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and daily update on Bitcoin. First of all, Merry Christmas, of course, and Happy Holidays today. I wanted to do some quick updates in the morning. In the morning, I didn't have much to do, so we're getting right into it. The volume actually is pretty good. For the time of the year which we're in, the volume is around $19.4 billion. That really started yesterday evening. Yesterday evening, we got some bearish pressure. And since then, look what happened. We talked about this yesterday, all right? And yesterday we also said that this was probably the most likely scenario, that we would break down below our main support, which was at 43,200. Excuse me. And then, you can see right now, the thing is that purely technically, if you look at the price right now, I would say we're in a consolidation, right? All right. So we're consolidating between 40,500 here at the bottom, and then at the top we have 44,500. Purely technically, that would be the case, right? And then you would say, all right, well, we've just given up a strong support level. You can see that support level has supported us for the last 5 days or so. Broke through that, got a bearish break retest, or at least it seems like at this moment. So right now we'll drop back down to this level in the middle here at 42,000 and 42,200, and from there we'll see again, but it's most likely that we'll drop down to 41,000. That's technically the most likely scenario. All right, and see, the difficult part is the following. And that is that, look, and the momentum right here is also not great, right? So the open interest is growing, so momentum is growing and something can happen, but it's still not great if you look over the last week, right? So the problem is that purely technically this is correct. So purely technically Bitcoin would be bearish, but fundamentally the ETF deadline is getting closer and closer. It's in 2 weeks now, I think. And that's bullish. We might drop afterwards, but before that, I still do expect some bullish momentum. And then if you look at where most of the liquidity is, and Bitcoin tends to go after liquidity, there's quite a lot around 40,000, but by far most is around 44,500 and 45,000. So therefore, I am not willing to fully commit to something like this. I think it's, purely technically, this is most likely. But I would say it's actually more likely that at some point of time we'll just, maybe from 42,000, so in the middle of this range, we'll get bullish momentum again to at least test 44,500. And then maybe we can actually go through that liquidity level. At the very top it's at 45,000, so maybe we can go through that. I don't know, but that remains to be seen, and I'll update you on that as soon as I can, of course. But for now, that is what I expect. So short term, like I said, short-term Bitcoin is not that entertaining. We just had a bearish breakout. I do expect the technicals to be respected. All right. We also already had the market opening, so most of the volume has already entered the markets. I think we might see some more capital inflow in the next 2 days, but most of it I think is already in. So I'm not expecting huge moves. But the start of the week was bearish, and sometimes that signals that the rest of the week will not be bullish either. So that's why, technicals, and that is why I'm expecting at least some more bearish momentum on the short term. And then who knows? I'll keep my eyes on it. For now, I think we will still see that spike up at some point of time this week as well. Like I said, I'll keep you updated on that, but for now, those are my thoughts. So don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you want to make some profits in these volatile markets. But that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great holidays. Have a great day, and bye.